good day guys. I'm Christian D. Salagupang and welcome back to my channel. So today, we're going to tackle about the Windows Server 2008 version of Windows, and we're going to tackle on how to install and to have an Active Directory server, and as well um, DNS on setting up on it. So first, let's talk all about Windows Server 2008. So it is codenamed as Longhorn Server, is the fourth release of the Windows Server operating system produced by Microsoft as part of the Windows NT family of the Windows operating system. It was released to manufacturing on February 4, 2008, and generally to retail on February 27, 2008. So it was derived from Windows Vista. Windows Server 2008 is a successor of Windows Server 2003 and the predecessor to Windows Server 2008 R2. Windows Server 2008 removed support for processors without ACTI. It is the first version of Windows Server that includes Hyper-V, and it is also the final version of Windows Server that supports 1A 32-base processor, also known as 32-bit processor. Its successor, Windows Server 2008 R2, requires a 64-bit processor in any supported architecture. As of July 2019, so this was currently outdated, but I think it maintains this percent, which is 60% of servers were running Windows Server 2008 kasi di na siya gano'n ka-popular. So, since may newest or latest version na launch ngayon. So, let's go to installation. So, actually natakal ko na 'to nung diniscuss ko yung installation ng Windows Server 2008, 7 saka nung Vista ba yun? Basta check on my YouTube channel below and you'll see it. So here's the step-by-step installation for your Microsoft Server 2008. So step 1. Insert the installation media for Windows Server 2008 R2. After the installer runs, the Windows install screen appears. So ito muna yung unang mag-a-appear dyan. Siyempre yung setup niyo muna yung English language niya. Then step 2, enter language another, click preferences, click next, then it will become setting up now. Then step 4, the installer prompts to select an operation system. Step 5, select Windows Server 2008 R2 Enterprise, full installation and click next. So sa lahat daw ng selection, ang i-click nyo daw is yung Windows Server 2008 Enterprise. Then the installer prompts to read the license terms. Then check nyo lang yan. Then proceed tayo sa step 8. The installer asks you which type of installation for your installation. Click Customs and Advanced. Then after that, step 9. The installer asks for this location information. Make sure you select make sure your selection and click next. So dito, nasabi ko nga nung last video ko na kung saan nyo man siya ilalagay, make sure na malaki yung space na ilalagay nyo. Since malaking, hindi naman ganun kalaki pero medyo malawak lang yung sasakupin ng this location nitong um, server na to. Then the installation begins. Then after waiting, the installation prompts to change the password. Click OK. So kailangan nyo i-change yung password since kayo yung administrator niyan. Then step 12, enter a new password. Then i-re-enter nyo para complete it and click the right arrow. Then after nyan, mag-ooperate na yung system tsaka i-prepare nyo na. So once na na-prepare nyo na, napalabas nyo na, punta kayo ng Windows activities dahil ilalagay niyo dyan yung product key. May mga specific product key guide sa mga YouTube videos and sa browsers. Pero ang alam ko kapag nag-install ka ng VirtualBox saka um, ng pinasok mo yung Windows Server na OS is hindi na required dito yung magkaroon ng product key. Pero nasa sa inyo yun kung lalagyan nyo o hindi. Then, step 15, finish. Then, after nyo ma-set up yung account, yung Windows Server nyo, let's go to the Active Directory server. Ito. So, dito sa steps na to is medyo mas mahaba dun sa installation since lalagyan mo nga to ng directory server. So, step 1, start mo uli yung Windows Server mo and i-run mo. Then log in your credentials. Then right click here doon sa start, then click on properties. Then sa properties, lalabas yung classic start menu. Then i-click yun. Then step 5, mag-add tayo ng network active. Then i-click natin yung manage network. Then after nun, mag-click tayo sa local area connection. Then i-click natin yung properties. So dito, kasi nga, i-untick natin yung protocol version 6 dahil lang na-handle lang nito na IPv is yung IPv4 which is yung version 4. Then i-double click natin yung IPv4 then lagyan natin ng static IP and then para magkaroon ng Active Directory server nito. So dito dinagyan niya ng given static IP and then kinilik niyo na okay. Then after nun, change niya yung computer name niya. Nasa-sign niyo na yun kung ano yung name na gusto niyong ilagay sa computer or PC niyo. Then, click change setting, then rename your computer. Then, bago niyo i-restart pala, ita-turn up niyo muna yung firewall ng computer para hindi siya mag-crash or magkaroon ng complications. Then, step 12, after restarting, go to the server manager and dyan tayo mag-add ng roles. Which is, itatakal ko siya, I mean, i on-hand ko siyang papakita sa inyo paano mag-add ng role. Bale, ilalagay ko yung mga different names kada section sa course namin. Then, step 13, click the box on Active Directory Domain Services, then click Next and Install, then wait for the installation. Once na tapos sa installation, click and close, then click run, then doon mo ita-type yung D-promo. Then, pag nag-appear na yon, i-click mo lang yung next and next. Then, kapag nakita mo yung existing forest, i-click mo yung create a new domain in a new forest, then i-click mo yung domain name mo. Kuwari, yung example is pvp.net. Kuwari sa akin, isha.net, nasa sa'yo yun, optional yun. Then, set forest functional level to Windows Server 2019 since ito yung kaya nyo i-handle. Then, step 20, just click next and yes. Step 21. Ayan yung tatlong files na ma-install once na kinilik nyo yung yes. Kasi kailangan yan sa pagkakaroon ng Active Directory server nyo. Then, set up your password, administrator, then next. Then, click next to start an installment of Active Directory. Then, click finish once na natapos niya. Then, i-restart nyo ulit siya. Then, step 25. After restarting, start the programs, then go to the administrative tools. After nun, i-click natin yung DNS. Then, pagka-expand ng DNS, ilalunch natin yung NSLCOKUP. Then, expand natin, tapos i-look up natin yung reverse lookup zone, then mag-add tayo ng new zone, then click ng next. Tapos, step 28, mag-add tayo ng primary zone, then, i-store natin yung zone na in-store natin nung static IP address, then, i-click natin yung next. Ayan. As you can see na nilagay niya yung network ID natin na tinype kanina. Then, after nun, i-expand natin yung zone and maggawa tayo ng new pointer. Then, i-type natin ulit yung IP address doon sa um, given IP address. Then, click on browse. Then, double-click lang yung server. Tapos, pag nakita niyo yung forward up look zone, i-forward na yung ginawa niyo sa step 31, 30, saka 29. Then, after na i-click niyo yung okay, then, ayan, makikita niyo na yung IP address na ginawa niyo. Then, refresh lang, saka repeat lang yung ginawa ko nung step 25, which is yung dito, yung restarting go to administrative tools. Then, instead na reverse lookup zone, ang ilalagay natin is yung click users. Ito na yung ilalagay, itatakal ko next video sa paggawa ng mga user and mga group sa Windows Server 2008. Then set up your user profile. Optional tong part na to. Then click finish. So that's all for today's video. If you if need nyo ba ng mas concise at mas preferred guide and step by step, I provide the link or links below for more information regarding dito sa video na to. Thank you.